Hello and welcome back to my channel Health Tutorial once again. Today I'm going to tell you how to simulate first natural number. Okay, so it will start from 1 and it will simulate up to a number. Maybe it is n number or any defined number. So uh, we will try to show in this video how to simulate this first natural number, then square of all these numbers, so it will become 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so on. Okay, then later we will try to get the to the power of n or to the power of 3, okay, of any number. Okay, so that is will be for example like to the power 3 of first natural number we will try to simulate. Okay, so it will become 1 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, and so on. So how to do all these simulations we will see in this video. Okay, so that you will be very master in simulating any kind of control logic or controller in model-based design or in automotive industry. So now I'm going to switch my uh, Matlab. So you can see this is my Matlab where I'm using Matlab R2023A version. And in the previous video, I have made this one. Okay. So from this, you can easily understand how to create all these blocks. So here I have used one constant block, then one addition block, and this is unit delay, and this is a scope. Okay, and how these things we have to set, I have said in the previous video, so you can watch there. And now up to this one we will see at first. So just I'm going to run my simulation. So now just go here and you can see it is starting from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, okay, and so on. And now if we want to, okay, so this one is giving the natural numbers, okay, or it is printing natural numbers. So now if we want to get the square of first natural number, so for that these blocks we will require. So just search for math function. Okay, math function, you can say this one. Okay, math function, and double click on it, and here is power. Okay, this power you have to take and place it like this. We can connect like this. Sometimes it not get connected. So now it is connected, and whatever the power we will give using this constant block, okay, whatever the power, that power will be applied to this natural number series. Okay, so for simplicity here I'm giving this one as power. So just I'm going to simulate it. So you can see here it is 0, sorry, 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, and here you can see square of that. This is first one is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 4, then next this one is 9. Okay, this is 9, and then this one is 16. You can see this is 16. Okay, 16. Okay, and so on it will go. Now if you want to simulate n of n to the power n, okay, n to the power n, so just delete this one and just connect it here. So it will give n to the power n, and just simulate it, and you observe what is it will give. Okay, this is how the thing is going on, because it is exponential. Okay, n to the power n is exponentially very spike will you can observe. Okay, it is 10 to the power 11. Okay, so like this you can simulate. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Hope this video will help you to understand or to become a master in model based design engineering. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.